Tegallalang Rice Terraces is located on the north of Ubud, half an hour's drive north of Ubud. Tegallalang Rice Terraces in Ubud is famous for its beautiful scenes of rice paddies involving the subak, traditional Balinese cooperative irrigation system. Tegallalang forms the three most splendid terraced landscapes in Ubud's shared region, with the others being in the villages of Pajang and Champuan. Tegallalang alone has an outlook that spreads down before you and away to the rice terraces on the slopes across the valley. The high roadside location is cool and breezy, and it is a well-known spot for tourists to stop and take photos. Painters and nature lovers also enjoy visiting this spot. This ancient valley has a timeless quality whether there are tourists there or not. Tegallalang Rice Terraces offer a perfect Bali photo opportunity with its dramatic views. The vista sprawls down and away to the rice terraces on the slopes across the valley. And there are numerous art kiosks and cafes near the ledge offering their ware. The small village of Pakudwi, a craftsman's dominion located in Tegallalang, is a journey of witnessing the splendor of local talent at its best. Here you will find an extraordinary variety of ornamental woodwork and various carvings. The villagers here are avid Balinese craftsmen and have taken up different forms of sculptures, either handed down through generations or as a result of an ever-growing creative process using the most natural of all media, wood. A farmer who owns the land invites visitors to sample his green coconut drink, as well as to purchase woven hats that he makes from coconut leaves, as well as posing with visitors for a small fee. A modest fee for the posing farmer is at your own discretion. While the rice terraces serve as a highlight photo op in the Tegallalang area, souvenir shopping options abound along the roadsides, and the trip to Pakudwi village is worth its while.